Welcome to the factory, where rare woods are transformed into luxury furniture. The journey of a luxury furniture piece. From rare wood to iconic design. Inside the luxury furniture world, how customization and craftsmanship unite for perfect results.
Step 38. How furniture is delivered and installed to ensure perfect placement.
Ensuring the perfect fit in how we place your luxury furniture in the right spot.
Inside the delivery process, how we ensure your furniture arrives safe and sound.
Step 39. The role of furniture designers in shaping the future of luxury interiors.
Designing for the future, Yuta 2, how furniture designers anticipate trends in luxury interiors.
Step 40. Creating iconic pieces. How luxury furniture becomes part of design history.
How designers push boundaries, crafting future icons with luxury materials.
Step 41. Sustainable luxury, eco-material. How the furniture industry is adapting to modern demands.
Inside the sustainable furniture factory, how we are redefining luxury for the future. The rare wood journey, how each piece tells a story of luxury and craftsmanship.
Step 42. Creating a legacy. Why luxury furniture pieces are built to last.
How the quality of materials affects the lifespan of luxury furniture.
Step 43. Luxury furniture as an investment. How pieces appreciate over time. Understanding the value of luxury furniture as a long-term investment.
How your luxury furniture becomes a piece of history by the lasting value of craftsmanship.
Step 44. Preserving your luxury furniture's value, offers, as in tips for proper care and maintenance.
How to care for your luxury furniture to ensure it stays in perfect condition.
Step 45. Professional restoration crusade. How experts bring back the original glory of luxury furniture. Restoring perfection. Why restoration is key for maintaining the integrity of luxury furniture.
Step 46. The final stage, from the transformation of wood into a luxury furniture masterpiece. From the forest to the factor, how luxury wood is transformed into timeless furniture. From raw material to iconic furniture, Canvas, the journey of crafting timeless pieces.
A deep dive into the processes that shape luxury furniture. We blend time-honored techniques with cutting-edge
Step 47. How luxury furniture becomes a statement piece in every home.
How your luxury furniture makes a bold statement about your style and taste.
Step 48. The impact of quality craftsmanship 9 in how luxury furniture elevates your home.
Inside the factory, how craftsmanship and design work hand in hand to create luxury furniture. The secrets behind every handcrafted detail. It's inside the making of luxury furniture.
Step 49. From idea to icon. Interview 2 in the creative process behind luxury furniture design.
The Furniture Factory, a space where luxury furniture pieces come to life. Step 50. A final look inside the factory. The last step in creating luxury furniture.
Step 9. Shaping the luxury experience. Carving the perfect wooden pieces.
Thank you for joining us on the journey of luxury furniture from factory to home.
Luxury furniture. The lasting imprint of craftsmanship and design. From factory to forever, and how every luxury furniture piece tells a story.
Step 51. Preserving your investment. You've worn the importance of long-term care for luxury furniture.
Inside the factory, the final touches before your luxury furniture becomes a legacy.
Step 52. The role of artisan craftsmanship in making luxury furniture special.
Artistry in every detail, truthful. How craftsmanship sets luxury furniture apart.
Step 53. How technology and tradition work together to create luxury furniture.
Blending time-honored techniques with modern innovation for luxurious results.
Step 54. The global appeal of luxury furniture is canon. Why people invest in timeless pieces.
How technology meets craftsmanship. Modern tools and techniques in woodworking.
Inside the factory, understanding the global demand for luxury furniture.
Step 55. The future of luxury furniture. Emerging trends in design and sustainability.
How sustainability will shape the next generation of luxury furniture.
The lasting impact of luxury furniture. Why high-quality craftsmanship matters for generations.
Step 56. Creating luxury furniture that will stand the test of time.
The journey from idea to icon. How we craft luxury furniture to last for generations. Inside the factory, the passion and skill behind each luxury furniture piece.
Step 57. Why luxury furniture is more than just a piece. It's a work of art.
How every detail contributes to the perfection of luxury furniture.
Step 58. The final product. ISI, the ultimate expression of craftsmanship and luxury.
Step 10. Fine finishing. The touch of perfection with high-quality varnish.
From factory to home. How luxury furniture brings elegance to your living space.
Step 59. The timelessness of luxury, at how each furniture piece becomes part of your home story.
Inside the factory, creating a legacy through crafting luxury furniture.
Step 60. Final words to verb. The lasting legacy of luxury furniture and its impact on design.
Step 61. How luxury furniture adds value to your living space beyond aesthetics. Why luxury furniture is not just about style. The functional value it adds to your home.
How luxury furniture elevates your home's value and appeal.
Luxury furniture as an investment. Why it's more than just a purchase. Step 63. How the right luxury furniture piece can transform the entire ambience of your home.
Why is finishing the most important step? Because it protects and enhances the wood's natural beauty, like you see here.
The power of design. How one piece of luxury furniture can define a room's character. Step 64. The importance of luxury furniture in building a lasting legacy for your home.
How luxury furniture becomes a reflection of your taste and values. Step 65. Bringing your vision to life, and hence, how custom luxury furniture complements your personal style.
Inside the factory, a final look at the transformation of raw wood into a masterpiece.
Step 66. The final touch. Why detailing matters in the world of luxury furniture.
Creating luxury that lasts. The attention to detail in every piece of furniture.
Inside the factory, how the perfect blend of craftsmanship and innovation makes luxury furniture a class apart.
Step 67, how wood selection affects the final product in luxury furniture manufacturing.
Step 68. The significance of choosing the right materials. How luxury furniture stands out.
Step 11. The assembly process, bringing together all the pieces with precision.
How choosing sustainable materials makes your luxury furniture environmentally friendly. Step 69. Sustainability meets luxury. How eco-friendly practices are impacting the furniture industry. Sustainability as a luxury. Why modern furniture manufacturers are prioritizing eco-conscious materials. The evolution of luxury furniture, how sustainability and luxury design are now intertwined.
Step 70. The art of luxury furniture. Why craftsmanship still reigns supreme in the industry.
How handcrafted designs provide a unique touch to luxury furniture pieces.
And Step 71. Making furniture an heirloom. How the right choices create timeless pieces.
How luxury furniture becomes an investment that increases in value over time.
Step 72. The importance of heritage in luxury furniture design, carrying forward traditions of craftsmanship.
Inside the factory, a look at the skilled artisans who bring your luxury furniture to life.
How every joint and connection is made to last, crafting the structure of luxury furniture.
Step 73. The role of family-owned furniture businesses in maintaining high standards.
The legacy of craftsmanship. How family businesses influence the future of luxury furniture.
Step 74. The role of designers in luxury furniture. Why innovation matters in the creative process.
Designing with passion. How furniture designers use inspiration to create iconic pieces.
Step 75. The key elements of luxury furniture. How quality, design, and craftsmanship come together.
Inside the factory, a masterclass in creating luxury furniture.
Step 76. How legacy brands shape the market for luxury furniture.
The role of iconic furniture brands, and influence why their pieces are coveted by collectors.
Step 77. How customization transforms luxury furniture into a one-of-a-kind piece.
Personalizing your space. Noted. How custom luxury furniture makes your home unique.
Inside the factory, how technology helps assemble furniture faster and more efficiently.
Step 78, the final touch. Why customization is the secret to making your home truly luxurious.
Inside the world of luxury furniture, crafting masterpieces that last for generations.
Step 79. The philosophy behind luxury furniture. How we create timeless artifacts.
How we blend tradition and modernity to create iconic luxury furniture.
Step 80, the culture of luxury. Why the best furniture requires the best craftsmanship.
The role of artisans, the heart of luxury furniture production.
Step 81, crafting furniture with passion. How every artisan contributes to the final piece. Inside the factory, how each piece of luxury furniture tells a story of dedication and expertise. Step 82, the power of collaboration. Vigilant, how designers, engineers, and artisans work together to create perfection.
The craftsmanship behind the luxury, the precision that goes into every detail.
Step 1. The selection of rare, hand-picked woods.
Step 12. Quality control. The last check before the furniture is ready to leave.
Step 83, conclusion.
or the journey of luxury furniture, from raw material to masterpiece.
Each piece inspected trial, how the furniture is tested for quality and durability.
Step 13. Final touches per Triffle, adding the finishing details that make each piece unique.
Luxury branding. How each piece is marked as a high-end furniture item.
Step 14. Packing and shipping. Protecting each piece on its journey to your home.
How we ensure the safe delivery of luxury furniture to homes worldwide.
Packing furniture requires meticulous protection.
Make sure that corner is secure.
I've got it covered.
Step 15. Transportation at 5. How luxury furniture makes its way across the globe.
The final destination. How your luxury furniture reaches your home.
Unboxing and installation. The excitement of bringing luxury furniture to life.
Step 2. Precision cutting knoller, turning raw wood into perfect shapes.
Step 16. The final step. How your furniture becomes part of your home's luxury design.
The cycle of crafting luxury furniture, from forest to final product.
Inside the factory, how time, expertise, and passion create each piece of furniture. The beauty of craftsmanship lies in how luxury furniture is made to stand the test of time. A piece of art, the fusion of nature and human ingenuity in luxury furniture making.
Step 17. The impact of sustainability, Yumbili, using rare wood responsibly in furniture making.
Sustainability meets luxury. Unto why ethical sourcing is key to our furniture production.
Inside the factory, a commitment to sustainability and luxury in every piece of furniture.
Crafting the future. How technology shapes the design of modern luxury furniture.
Innovation in luxury. How technology enhances the manufacturing of furniture.
Step 3. Shaping the wood. Wisdom, crafting the furniture's frame.
Inside the future of luxury furniture. Chemifiz, how new technologies are revolutionizing the industry.
The evolution of luxury furniture, combining tradition, craftsmanship, and technology.
Step 18. The enduring appeal of luxury furniture. Why these pieces last for generations.
From creation to legacy, Tekun, how luxury furniture pieces are built to be cherished for a lifetime.
Step 19. How luxury furniture transforms your living space.
Crafting future icons. How every luxury furniture piece is designed with care.
Step 20. The innovation and design behind luxurious furniture. Luxury furniture for the modern world, or blending tradition with innovation. Inside the factory, precision and perfection in every craftsmanship detail.
Step 4. Treating the wood, preserving quality for years to come.
Step 21. The role of quality control in luxury furniture manufacturing.
Perfecting every curve, how the finest woodwork is achieved. Luxury furniture transformation. From raw wood to sophisticated masterpieces.
Welcome to Step 22. Here, we utilize high-tech tools and advanced machinery to craft the next generation of luxury furniture.
Creating timeless designs. Would you blending innovation with tradition.
From concept to reality, inside the mind of a luxury furniture designer.
Step 23, bringing nature into design, the art of sourcing rare woods.
The journey of rare wood, how it becomes a luxury furniture piece.
Inside the factory, understanding the process behind every signature piece.
Step 24. How sustainability plays a key role in luxury furniture manufacturing.
Step 5. Assembling the pieces and integration, crafting the perfect structure.
Sustainability meets luxury. Responsible wood sourcing for premier furniture.
Crafting for the future, Toke. Why sustainability is the foundation of modern luxury furniture.
Step 25. The packaging process Tongue 2. Ensuring safe delivery of luxury furniture. How we package furniture with care to maintain its luxury quality. Inside the factory, the final steps before your furniture reaches your home.
Step 26. Final inspections deal. How every luxury piece is checked before shipment.
Checking for perfection. The importance of a rigorous final inspection.
Luxury furniture delivered, or the journey continues after leaving the factory.
Step 27. The importance of customer care and installation services.
How the delivery team ensures each piece arrives in perfect condition.
Step 6, polishing and varnishing, bringing out the natural beauty of the wood. Inside the luxury world, how rare wood becomes a legacy piece for your home.
Step 28, bringing luxury to your home. It is the experience of owning handcrafted furniture.
Creating a legacy. How every luxury furniture piece becomes part of your home's story.
The impact of luxury furniture wins how timeless pieces elevate your living space.
Step 29, how customization adds an extra layer of luxury to each piece.
Tailored for you. How custom designs make each piece truly unique.
The end of the journey, Piak. From factory to your home, how luxury furniture finds its place.
The legacy continues, Tole. How luxury furniture pieces are passed down through generations.
Step 30. Luxury furniture that lasts. Yuvand. The timeless quality of craftsmanship.
Step 31. Preserving the legacy. The importance of proper maintenance for luxury furniture.
Step 7. Quality control, ensuring perfection in every piece.
How to maintain the timeless beauty of your luxury furniture.
The role of professional care in keeping your furniture looking new.
Inside the factory, how we create furniture that lasts generations.
Step 32. How furniture is carefully handled and stored to ensure longevity.
Handling luxury with care. Best practices for storing your furniture.
The importance of climate control in maintaining the quality of luxury furniture.
Step 33. The final touch. How to refinish your furniture and bring back its original glory.
How refinishing can revitalize old luxury furniture to look new again.
Step 34, the expert touch. When to call in professional restoration services for luxury furniture.
How the right restoration can extend the life of your luxury furniture.
Step 8. Packing and shipping geppalatuntupu, ensuring safe delivery to luxury homes.
The legacy of luxury. Mehla. How timeless craftsmanship endures across generations. Inside the factory, creating furniture that becomes a family heirloom.
Step 35. Customization to replicas. How you can personalize your luxury furniture for a unique touch.
Bespoke designs. Creating one-of-a-kind luxury furniture for discerning clients.
Step 36. Why personalization adds value to luxury furniture.
Tailored luxury. Definitions. How we craft each piece of furniture to fit your personal style.
From concept to creation, the journey of a bespoke piece of furniture.
Inside the factory. How we create furniture that reflects your personality and taste.
Furniture that tells your story. How personalization enhances your living space.
The power of customization and how a personalized furniture piece becomes a family treasure.